Want to start earning online, but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is SEO optimization. Businesses need their websites to rank higher on search engines, and that's where you come in. As an SEO specialist, you'll optimize content, keywords, and website structures to boost visibility. Start by learning the basics of SEO tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or bloggers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Next is ebook covers. Every author needs a captivating cover to attract readers, and if you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many authors pay $50 to $200 per cover, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to self-published authors directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Third is presentation templates. From corporate meetings to school projects, everyone needs professional-looking slides. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like PowerPoint or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per template, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean, modern designs that are easy to customize. You can sell your templates on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Fourth is voiceover work. From commercials to audiobooks, there's a growing demand for talented voices. If you have a clear and engaging voice, this skill is perfect for you. Start by practicing your delivery and investing in a good microphone. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per project, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, create a demo reel and showcase your work on platforms like voices.com or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the media industry. Finally, let's talk about app development. With the rise of smartphones, there's a growing demand for app developers who can create functional and user-friendly apps. If you're tech-savvy and love problem-solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning programming languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per app, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating user-friendly designs and optimizing for performance. You can find work on platforms like TopTal or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative career. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose SEO optimization, ebook covers, presentation templates, voiceover work, or app development, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So